Hello and welcome. How are you all doing? Hope it was a great weekend for all of you. And this is going to be just a short live to show you some of the pieces that haven't been seen enough as they should have been. Now, what a fabulous last week with the launch of Hiranya. It was an absolutely amazing, magical week with the pieces coming out, your massive response to it, the beautiful musical morning, all of that, which was there all last week. Of course, हिरण्य एक सीजन लॉन्च है. इसका मतलब ये है कि दोज लाइव जो हमने किए हैं वो एकदम रेलिवेंट है नो मैटर व्हेन यू सी इट. सो इफ यू नॉट सीन इट, दैट इज समथिंग यू मस्ट नॉट मिस. Of course, हो सकता है that there will be something which is sold out or which is on pre-order, which is fine because we'll be able to make the pieces which are on pre-order for you. कुछ single pieces थे which we just made for the show, the launch, that sold out. So come to us, have a look and then ask us. But जो theme है ये basically है कि इस season में कुछ Hiranya launch 1 था and probably we'll try and do a Hiranya launch 2 of the beautiful pieces that we have, but we're not sure on that. We're still working on what's in making and whether it will be able to come on time, so I can't promise that. But what I will promise to you is of course that you will see us in Chandigarh on the 12th and the 13th, so that's something that we're super excited. In fact, most of our stuff, everything is left from here. We are in full prep for the show. Can you confirm if Instagram is working? Is it audible? Instagram, so just let me know whether Instagram is audible. And so all of this is happening and it's really exciting time for us. We're going to be in Chandigarh at the Hyatt Centric on the 12th and the 13th with a fabulous collection from Hiranya and so much more. So all of that. Now आज का जो एक follow up live है, एक हमने किया था last week. Okay, all the volume is fine, great, thanks. Now we had done a follow up live in which we showed you a lot of dupattas which were available. Of course, from that now there are many dupattas which are also sold out. So what we are going to do, thank you guys, thank you so much for letting me know. It's all working fine, yeah. So now I'm going to do, I will show you some fabrics, but what I want to show you and I want to start with is our fabrics. Of course, ये जो है एक look which you have seen many times over is this Munga silk look. This is a fabric. It is now in thick. Yeah. So that is now okay. It's audible. I've just to pin my content on where you can place your order. There you go. Orders are open. And one sec. Let me just try and pin it. Okay. It's gone. Okay. There you go. So it's pinned. Now, so this is a fabric that I'm wearing. This is 5,400 per meter. It's one of our most popular fabrics in Moga, and we've just restocked it. You may have seen me wear this outfit a couple of times, many times in fact. And this is a natural Moga. This is 5,400 per meter. Look at the flow. It's really beautiful. Now, what also works well is that any dupatta of any color, and you're going to see that today when I'm going to be putting the dupattas, will work really well with it. So that's something that works fabulously well. Ye jo dupatta hai, this is the one that I'm wearing. It's a natural color. These dupattas are doing really well at the moment. These are 32,800 per meter and it's a beautiful pastel color. You can see why I'm wearing it. The gold really kind of coming through the base color, really subtle. So you have one wonderful look if you are wearing this dupatta with a contrast. So yes, it's a beautiful fabric. Now I'm going to start out with two Bandhni dupattas for today, which we're doing for the first, we're launching it now, the black and the white. So बहुत दिन से हमने नए pieces नहीं बनाए. Now finally we have two pieces, and if you ask me, I only have one black and this is the white that we have. The tassels will be done. So yes, there you go. So this is our brand new collection of Georgette dupatta in Bandhni, and yes, इस साल में हमने बहुत pieces all sold out बनाए हैं in specifically white Bandhni base with red dots and on black as well. And it's become kind of our speciality. We are doing it. It's always sold out. Ye pieces, that's the fun of it. So there you go. This is the one in white. Now what will come with it? our tassels. We didn't have enough time to send it back to Banaras, but yes, of course it will be done. Beautiful tassels in gold and the color matching this. So yes, this is one new piece that is coming today. We will of course also show you some stunning pieces that were launched last week that are still available. Now the next one in black, just check on the price for each one of these. You can come on WhatsApp and look at that. It's a fabulous piece. And this is what is also a new launch. Now look at that. The base is all pure Georgette. The bandi is red. This is the gold zari. And look at the ultra lightweight, beautiful effect of it. And you can see that. So that's the black bandi. That's the white bandi. And next up, what I'm showing you, एक मैंने आपको look दिखाया of the fabric that I'm wearing. Now you can see everything is going to go really well with it. 5,400 per meter. मैंने इसके साथ पहना है plain मूंगा bottom. So I'm just showing it to you. It's a plain मूंगा bottom that I'm wearing with it. Typically, this kind of a look will need 5 meters for the kurta and 2.5 meter plain bottom. So that's the maths. You can do that. The plain munga is 2450 and this is 5,400 per meter. If you want to go for a straight, then just the highs should be enough, or maybe 300, 2.5. And another fabrics that have been doing really well, we have some colors in it, some new colors which we want to show you, and that's our Katan silk fabric which was launched again as a part of Hiranya. But there was so much to show in that कि हम लोग इस पे ध्यान नहीं दे पाए. One, it is been launched in 3 motifs, so we have 3 beautiful motifs in it. And why they are so lovely, these are 6,800 per meter, which means that 2.5 meter आता है करीबन 17,000. They are so beautiful in terms of the making, the weave. If you see the detailing, the karwa weave, it's absolutely amazing. But what is so good about it is that अगर आपके पास ऐसे कुछ कुर्ते हैं तो आप इन पे कोई भी combination बना सकते हैं. Right now I'm just showing you the fabrics, and then मैंने कुछ next में I'm going to show you the dyeable dupattas also. What we've done are all contrast that will look really good. Now look at that. This is a fabulous motif. There was so much to talk last week about the everything else that इनकी जो खूबसूरती है and the detailing and our very new motifs that we have done in it, they didn't get enough importance. Now look at that. You're wearing one nice silk kurta. If you want to go for a dupatta which is heavy, sure, we can do that for you. Otherwise, we'll also show you the lighter dupattas like the 18,800, the 26,800, which can be dyed in these colors and they will look fabulous. But just look at that one nice silk kurta, plain chinia bottom or katan silk bottom if that's what you prefer. They're all going to be there. Now look at that. This is such a nice color, and wear them with with dupatta, without dupatta in same color base, dupatta in contrast. Like you could be wearing this with a black dupatta, it would look amazing. You could be wearing this with a red, with the cream color, it will all be really good. But if you have seen the combinations and what you have been looking is just one nice silk kurta, then these are really good. Probably you have a dupatta, you have a tissue dupatta which is 8250 dupatta, and you say, yeah, I'm gonna wear, just want to be focusing on the just the kurta because it's so fabulous, the silk. And having said that, let's show you some combinations I will give you. Now look at that. This is one last cut, this really lovely shade of yellow, and now you can see the kind of combinations that can be done with it. That is what I'm quickly showing you. Now look at that. That's a beautiful dupatta in Sona Rupa in Georgette, and a yellow and a blue like this, very dusty. They're always so good together, So look at that. That's a beautiful, lovely one. Plain silk bottom sab mein lagenge and you will be done. Now this is a new color and it is so beautiful. I think it's just so perfect, the blue. So now you're wondering, launch kiya. How is it that you're receiving new pieces? So now this is how it works, because of course the whole massive last 8 months in making we got that many, but at the end of it, do not forget, they're all handmade. Process chalta jayega, pieces will keep getting introduced. From now to Diwali, you are going to be in every live. So that's the one major thing, that you cannot miss any live. you have to catch up on the lives, because every live will be special. You will be seeing one great collection each time. But acha, ye baat hui that many of you said, yeah, this is what I really liked and that is sold out. Can you make that again? And I said, yes, it's difficult. We can't make every piece. So it is also that it is a season of a limited collection. So aap jo dekhte hain, now suppose you said this is what I really like. I would say pick it up today. Don't wait that 2 दिन बाद क्या आएगा, because it may or may not be available. Get it? So it's a season to dress up. It's a season for weddings are just about to start in November. Everybody is getting ready. Uske pehle, of course, many festivals from the entire Dussehra to Diwali to Karwa Chauth. Now you have the time. You can breathe and you can still prepare. And with it's all whether you're kind of greeting, meeting, partying out, or whether you want to kind of get ready and get your pieces done, बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है. So now तसल्ली से आप अपने pieces बनवाएं. And look at this. This is such a fabulous color combination. I love it. Of course, यही आप इसको same blue में भी करा सकते हैं. But today I'm going to show you some fun combinations. If you like it, yeah, definitely just go for it. This dupatta, what is the price? This is 28,800 वाला dupatta. Now I'm also going to show you same on same की कैसे रखता है. और इसके बाद, this black के बाद, I'm in between going to be showing you 2-3 suits that I have for you, and then we're going to go on to the last colors of this. It's a very short recap lives for fabric. So we're doing now for fabric. We're done dupatte ka one. Now we're doing for fabrics. Here you go, and look at that. So this is how wonderful a black on black will look. Many of you saying, is the zari color exactly the same? It cannot be exactly the same, because this is made in a different loom with different karigar in a different way. This is made on a different loom, different karigar, different zari. So what matters at the end of it is the look that you're trying to create, because you see it is a very complete and beautiful look. That is what matters. The zari are the minor details. Sometimes it's good if they match, and if you are somebody who really wants it match, then I would suggest you go only for suit sets, because those are the only ones which will have the perfect match, because वो एक साथ बनते हैं. For example, this one. Now if you have this suit, and I'm just going to show it to you, it's one beautiful color. You will see the Meena, the zari, all in perfect match. So because obviously they've been made together. But so it's just about a personal preference. What is it that you like? And all of this is also going to come to Chandigarh. Pura, yes. So if you were planning to be in our studio, remember that we'll have only a limited collection this entire week. Our entire collection, whatever is remaining, will come back now on the next Monday. It'll be back in our studio. And meanwhile, it's reaching Chandigarh, and we are all set with a fabulous collection to come and show you, So guys, get ready for Chandigarh. Everybody in and around, Panchkula, Mohali. I know a lot of you saying from Shimla, everywhere around that, you will love to come. We really wait for you. That's a fabulous blue suit. Usi ka we have this purple. Now this one is cotton by silk. That was chiffon, georgette. And the colors are incredibly soft. Super easy, and there you go. That's your look. I love the look. Look at that. So these of course have a totally different look and charm to it. I'll also show you one in natural Monga. That's really beautiful. Now look at that. Ye hai aapka, this is the kurta. Okay, now this is tied up because I think it's going for the show. And then I'm going to show you the dupatta. So look at that. That is the dupatta. So very pretty, lots of Meena, and this is the one sec. Sorry, this is ulta. So I'm going to show it to you like that. Now it's all good. It comes with a plain bottom, a Munga piece. It's dyeable, but I think it also looks great as it is. Now let's jump into the Bani dupattas. We have so many of them, and so many are available. So why not go explore them? And yes, let's go. I will quickly show each one of these to you, because so many of you said, I think over the weekend, that just show us what's available. I'm showing you what's available, you know, because of course I understand that आप कुछ देखते हैं फिर उससे नहीं available हो तो you don't feel so happy about it, right? So check that. Let's show you this. But the Hiranya 1 and 2, I would still strongly suggest that you see it. One very very fabulous piece, and look at that. इसकी जो पूरी entirety of the beauty, it's very difficult to kind of capture in this one sitting light. But sitting का अपना मजा है, because then you can really see the piece that's there. So that's one piece. It's wonderful and it's ready to ship out. In the silk bandhni dupattas, I think I have about 3 colors which I am going to now show you. Okay, let's just pull out the silk bandhni ones. And this is a fabulous color. Look at that. I think it's amazing. It's such a wonderful. Now look at your look. You're wearing this with of a white ivory color Muga silk natural, and just see how classic and beautiful it looks. You can of course do plain silk suits. You can do chinya buta suits with them to do your complete look. That's also possible. And one more silk one which is absolutely incredible is this one. Now look at the whole shading right there. So yes, this is also your quick attempt to get some fabulous pieces with you, and just look at the beauty of each one of these. Each one super unique. Now this is the one, it has figures for sure, but what it doesn't have is Meena. So this one is a non-Meena look, but so depending on what you prefer, just look at the detailings of the border. It's absolutely mind-blowing. This one is a 52,800. The rest that you're seeing, the silk ones, are 62,800. That's the fabric. It's just beautiful on its own. All you will need is a nice plain silk suit to kind of complete it. So now these are the 62,800. Let's show them to you. I'm showing them one by one so that you can look at that. The red, it's a beautiful red. Look at the Meena, the peach color, all of that. Very soft, very flowy, and incredibly beautiful. That's our collection of silk bandhni. Very unique, very special dupattas. And I still have 2 more colors. So somebody said, no colors left. We have so many. So go for it. This is so you've seen the hot pink, you've seen the peach and the strawberry pink. Now you're seeing the lighter pink. And then we do have 2 reds. You saw one which was like a tomato red, which I just showed you. And then the next one that I have is a bright hot red, the blood red. Look at that. And this. So we have 2 reds, 3 pinks, so many things that are all there. Go for your favorite one. Now look at this, how pretty it can look with the red in contrast. I think it's absolutely amazing. The silk with Meenas are all 62,800. The one without it is 52,800. So I'm also giving you a quick, कि क्या किसके क्या prices है. And yes, I have 2 more. जिसका मैंने first piece आपको दिखाया था, and then which was these are the 54,800 ones, and इसका मैंने first piece आपको दिखाया था, which was the red and the pink. What was that color? Red and pink. Okay, so that was the first color that we did. These are the ones. Now इसमें what you have to notice is there is an elephant for somebody who's particular about figures. It has elephants in the making of the bandhni itself. That's how they've been made. Fabulous colors, the look, the feel, and the weight of it. It's amazing. Ultra lightweight, so finely placed. These are the best pieces in the best quality of zari that we make. Of course, jo bandhni aside, the finishing aside. Oh, look at that. Look at this fabulous piece. Isn't it just mind-blowing? Tassels done, full length, full width. Look at that. So pretty, the tassels. It's alternate purple and red. They're just picture perfect, and you're going to be wearing it like this. You can increase the brightness factor with a plain suit or the same color, or you can kind of tone it down. Now I have some 3 pastel dupattas that are really good, and of course we have them in white, but I just kind of wanted to show them to you as it is. Now look at that. I think it's such a lovely look with this. Can you open and give me this? So because it's so complete, this lemon color, and it's so unique. It has these butas which are right there in Georgette. You can see them. This very light, very beautiful whole look, and I'm going to show you 3 versions of it. This fabric is of course now available 5,400 per meter, and with it you can do this wonderfully beautifully handcrafted dupatta. Option number 2 in the same look for you to create is this. Actually I have option number 4 as well, so I will come to that. And this is your option number, look at that. These dupattas are what, 28,800? Yeah, so these are the 28,800. Just go for the dupatta. They're also a great look. And this is the color 3 of it. Look, each one so unique. The lemon, the pink, the light baby pink. This is the green, and it's really hot. Each one creating very different impact. The last one from this exact same collection, I'm going to show you just the dupatta. So I'm going to show you one more look, and it's very pretty in terms of the color. This lovely burgundy. All of these look, the zari, they look so good with the zari weave. It's a brocade weave in Munga, and I think it looks perfect. So you can see 4 of these dupattas, 4 different colors. One kurta, wear them with anything. But in fact, for this particular one, I also have one unique combination in Katan silk that you can go for. And so yeah, you have it both. You have Katan silk and you have Munga silk. Go for your look, the one that you prefer. We have both for you. So quickly, the last 5-6 combinations. First things first, just admire this color. It's very pretty. This one is yellow and it's bit of a green. That's why it has this very unique touch to it. You can see I'm also going to open it. Now I did have in mind to show pink with it. We can do same on same for all of these. These are our Daiwa dupattas. That's the combination. But I think it's so perfect. Make sure you have a screenshot. I'm also going to open this one because it's just so good. And this is a fresh new color that I'm showing it to you for the very first time. The zari working perfectly. Now if subtle is something good, but you're looking for also something which is really bright, then there you go. Nothing gets brighter than this combination, and never ever does it get old. That's the sabse zyada, I think, beauty of the whole look. Now look at that. This is first things first. This fabulous dupatta. It's all just movement and flow and so fluid and amazing. And then you can go for this, which is this, so that's your combination, bright and vibrant. But a dupatta like this, honestly, you're wearing it over this. Look at how soft it is. It just kind of folds into you. You can never have enough of these dupattas. It's a classic. We've been making them for a while. We've been selling them in numbers, very large numbers to all of you, because it's something that you can never go wrong with. I do have one more color of that I will come back at the very end. But before that, another color which has been doing a lot of rounds and you've been asking a lot is this particular shade of green. It's like a deep green. It's like a bottle green almost, and thoda sa density kam hai bottle green se. So it's this very unique, beautiful shade. This is 32,800. Along with it, I also have a very unique shade of red, and you can see that. So this is not your standard red that we made. It's slightly pinkish, maroonish shade, a pinkish with red. That's, I think, why it looks so very different. And look at this combination. You can definitely do a same on same for the dupatta. Fabric को मैं customize नहीं कर सकती, but दुपट्टे को मैं इस color से customize कर सकती हूँ. If you want something which is customized to it, then you'll have to go for chinia, bootas and things like that. And of course, wear it with this particular piece that I'm wearing. It's going to be fabulous with it. Every single dupatta is going to look amazing on this fabric. Make sure that you have it. Many of you have it. Many of you have it. But I think still there are so many of you joining every day that it can always, you can always get this style. And it's now available. It's not always available, but for now, yes. This is the very last piece from today, and this is this wonderful color that you can see. And usse bhi zyada sundar is this. Usse bhi zyada sundar is a very difficult word to say, right? I can never kind of be partial towards the things that I make myself, but this one, this is always available, and it's a very beautiful classic dupatta. But this one piece only. This is one piece only. This is one third only. And I'm just going, okay, I'll just bring this dupatta back. I'm going to show it with this. and it's such a unique shade of gold. You can see the motive. It's also, so we've released 3 motives. One motive you've seen some developments last year as well, but now we've done these 2 more motives, additionally, and introduce them all together. And so many colors for you to choose from, all in pure Katan silk, all 6,800. Now when you're wearing something like this, you could be wearing a deep blue dupatta, a royal blue dupatta, you could be wearing hot pink, dark pink, rani pink, burgundy, red, a very electric kind of electric shades, which would be anything from a yellow to a purple. A purple would be amazing, which is why we're doing this burgundy collection, which this look, which I think that the 2 colors are so beautiful together. Always a hit. But yeah, this one now, कब है आपके पास चांस इसको खरीदने का? Today. Have you asked me? This is the only cut. I think I have 7.5. Yeah, I think I have 7.5 meters. It's a fabulous silk. Let's see exactly how much I have. 7.7. Yes, 7.75. This is your only chance to get it, because we know how the lives work, and something like this, a classic one piece, only 7.8 meters, 7.7 meters, is now your chance to go for it. So this is 6,800, plain bottom in chinia, 5,625 for 2.5 meter, and that's how you'll get it. Thank you so much for joining. It was a quick recap, and everybody, get ready. Yes, there will be a live on both the days, on the 12th and the 13th. From Chandigarh. So yes, that is going to happen for everybody to catch the show online from all over the world, and also for everybody in Chandigarh, just to get a heads up that what is it that we're going to be showing you. And we're going to be waiting for you 12, 13, 11 to 8 p.m. all day long, 2 days at Hyatt Centric. It's going to be fun day. The lives are going to be at 9 a.m. definitely on the first day. Second day we'll let you know, but first day ka 9 a.m. ka live pakka hai. So yes, and thank you guys. This will of course be the last live from our studio for this entire week. Now we will only see you next on I think Thursday. Yeah, 12th. Yeah, 12th. We're going to be see you now straight on 12th, leaving you with a great live with some classics. जो हैं अभी हैं यही है. So your chance to go get them now. Have a great one. Celebrations all around. Such great time to be in.